Hello everybody! The activity that I have designed is for my students of Spanish as a second language level beginner. They are studying a unit about the daily routine which has many new vocabulary about daily activities, reflexive verbs, irregular verbs, and they often have problems to remember it all. Therefore, I have done this activity for them to practice between the lessons. So my task as a teacher, the first one was obviously choosing the technology. I chose this website, Learning Apps. It's a free open resource. I just need to open an account and then I can begin creating these activities. Once it's finished, I just send the link to my students. They do not need to open an account. Just with the link, they can go straight to the activity and work with it. So let's come to this folder. I'm going to show you more in detail how the activities are. Here we are, daily routine number 2. This is a sequence of exercises. So here is where the student comes when he follows the link, and always at the beginning there is some information for them that I wrote. Complete the activities in order. So here they have 4 activities. If they go to the first one, here it is written classify each verb on its correct group. These are irregular verbs, so I'm going to just put them randomly in these groups. For example, if they would like to check how they are going, so they just press here. All these are wrong. There are more verbs, so at the end, if they do everything correct, they can read some nice review from me, such as congratulations, you're great, you're the master, well done, etc. So they can also see a little bit more of me in the activity, of my personality. In case they do not understand exactly what they need to do, they can always go to this little wolf here on the left side, and here there is some help that I wrote for them, more explanation and one example of what they are supposed to do. So then they will go to the next one, the second one. Here they should watch a video and put in order the activities that this girl does during her day. So they watch the video, then they can come here, start exercise, and just put them in order. Again the same, when they finish they can check what is wrong, what is correct, do it again as many times as they want. The third exercise is about answering to questions. Here they're supposed to type, to write something like this, but in Spanish. Check again, everything is wrong obviously. Come back, here they have more help, examples. And the last one is a quiz kind exercise. Here they have to choose the correct answer, and this activity is related to something we did in a previous lesson. So once they are finished, they do this at home in the free time. They choose the moment, the place. During the next lesson, I would ask them how did they find the activities, how they liked them, were they useful. So I get all this information. They usually have a positive answer with the online activities I did for them, and then we would revise and practice in various ways this content throughout the lesson. Something interesting is that when we come back, here I can see how many people, how many visitors did the activity have. In this case, no one, as I didn't send this link to anyone yet. Thank you very much for listening.